Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravita Programming. So in this session I'm going to discuss the two methods. One is the suspend and the second is the resume. Both methods are deprecated from the JDK, but still, I mean, in case of like the interviews, people may ask like what is the purpose of these two methods. So if you see, I have removed everything from the previous examples. So now I have a simple one thread, that is the thread 1, another is the thread 2. I'm just initializing here and I'm starting thread 1 and the thread 2. And if you see, if I'm compiling this and if I'm running it, thread 1 and 2 is running. It is simply saying thread 1 and 2 is running in a sequence, because obviously I have coded it in a sequence manner. So what I'm doing is, here I'm just adding that the T1 is suspended. T1 is suspended. Suspend, right? And I'm also checking here whether that T1 is alive or not. Out.println. See, after the T2 I'm checking whether that is alive or not. So if I will say T1 dot is alive, I mean, this is one of the method from the thread, and if I will say that T1 dot resume, right? So what this suspend method will do, like, it will start the thread and suspend for for some time. Once T2 will execute it and it will check whether that particular thread is alive or not, then it will resume it, right? So if you see, it is saying it is deprecated. That's fine. So see, so what in this case is happening is, like, it is starting the thread 1 and it is suspending at the same time. Now T2 is started running, that execution is completed, and it is checking whether it is alive or not. It is alive, true, it is saying true, and at the end I am just resuming thread 1 and it is executing the rest of the logic from this run method from the thread 1 and shutting down. So other way of testing, like, whether this is working as expected or not, what we could do is that, if I'm removing this suspend method from this, right, and I'm simply checking whether T1 is alive or not. Let me compile it. It is saying T1 is alive, right? So how can I make it okay, let's do one thing. Let's put some delay on the T1, sorry, the T2. So what I will do is, I will simply put some delay on the T2 so that we will get some time for T1 to be completed. So I'm seeing 5 seconds and I'm compiling it. Do this part as well. So it is actually executing much before than that. So how can I do that? T1 start. Okay. T2. Okay, instead of putting the sleep there, let me kill it here so that it could get some time to kill it. See, in this case, first thread 1 is running, right? Then I put some delay so that that thread could be killed. So after 5 seconds, because that is killed, so thread 2, it is saying like it is alive, and thread 2 is started and completed time. So this is how you could check whether that particular thread is live or not. And the suspend and the resume method I already explained. So this is the end of this video. This is the end of this topic. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching my videos.